Crash Course: China's Crackdown on Entertainment Industry Targeting Overpaid Actors, Sissy Idols, Fan Culture and More. In recent years, China has taken a series of measures to regulate its entertainment industry, targeting overpaid actors, sissy idols, fan culture, and more. The crackdown on the entertainment industry is part of the Chinese government's wider campaign to promote traditional values and patriotism and curb what it sees as a growing moral decay among the younger generation. In this crash course, we will take a closer look at some of the key events in China's crackdown on the entertainment industry and what they mean for the future of China's cultural landscape. Background: the rise of sissy idols and fan culture. In recent years, China's entertainment industry has seen a surge in the popularity of male celebrities who are often referred to as sissy idols. These male celebrities, who are usually young and handsome, often dress in feminine clothing and exhibit behaviors that are traditionally associated with women, such as wearing makeup, having a high-pitched voice, and displaying emotional vulnerability. The rise of sissy idols has been driven in part by the growing popularity of fan culture in China. In China, fans of celebrities often form online communities known as fan clubs, where they share information about their favorite celebrities, organize events and activities, and engage in various forms of online and offline interaction. Fan culture has become a major force in China's entertainment industry, with fans exerting significant influence over the careers of their favorite celebrities. The Chinese government's crackdown on the entertainment industry has been aimed at curbing what it sees as the negative influence of sissy idols and fan culture on young people in China. Key events in China's crackdown on the entertainment industry. 1. Caps on actor salaries, 2018. In 2018, China's media regulator, the State Administration of Press, Publication, Radio, Film, and Television, SAPPRFT, announced that it would cap the salaries of actors at 40% of the total production budget for TV dramas and 70% for films. The move was aimed at curbing what the government saw as excessive spending on actor salaries and encouraging more investment in the actual production of content. The move was met with resistance from some actors and industry insiders, who argued that it would make it more difficult to attract top talent to the industry and would ultimately harm the quality of Chinese entertainment. 2. Ban on sissy behavior, 2018. In 2018, the Chinese government issued a new set of guidelines aimed at curbing what it sees as the feminization of young men in China. The guidelines specifically targeted sissy behavior, which was defined as vulgar and tasteless, and called for a return to traditional masculinity. The move was widely criticized by LGBTQ+ activists and others who saw it as an attempt to suppress non-traditional gender expression. 3. Ban on hip-hop culture, 2018. In 2018, the Chinese government announced a ban on hip-hop culture and tattoos on television. The move was aimed at curbing what the government saw as the negative influence of hip-hop culture on young people in China. The ban was met with resistance from some hip-hop artists and fans, who saw it as an attack on freedom of expression and creativity. 4. Crackdown on fan culture, 2019. In 2019, the Chinese government launched a crackdown on fan culture, targeting online fan clubs and fan fiction websites. The move was aimed at curbing what the government saw as the negative influence of fan culture on young people in China, including the spread of rumors and the idolization of celebrities. The crackdown led to the closure of several fan fiction websites and the arrest of some fans who were accused of spreading rumors about celebrities. 5. Ban on online streaming of foreign content, 2019. In 2019, the Chinese government announced a new regulation that prohibited online streaming platforms from showing foreign content without approval. The regulation was aimed at promoting Chinese culture and preventing the spread of foreign values that the government sees as a threat to traditional Chinese values. The move was met with mixed reactions, with some arguing that it would limit access to diverse content and stifle creativity in the industry. 6. Ban on unhealthy fan behavior, 2019. In 2019, the Chinese government issued new guidelines aimed at curbing what it sees as unhealthy fan behavior, such as idol worship and excessive spending on fan-related activities. The guidelines called for stricter regulation of fan clubs and a crackdown on illegal fan activity. The move was aimed at protecting the mental health of young people and curbing the negative influence of fan culture on Chinese society. 7. Ban on online games with obscene content, 2019. In 2019, the Chinese government issued a ban on online games that contain obscene content or that promote gambling or violence. The move was aimed at protecting the mental health of young people and preventing the spread of negative values in society. The ban led to the removal of several popular online games from Chinese app stores, including PUBG and Fortnite. 8. Ban on plagiarism in music, 2019. In 2019, the Chinese government announced a new regulation aimed at curbing what it sees as plagiarism in the music industry. The regulation called for stricter enforcement of copyright laws and penalties for artists and producers who violate them. The move was aimed at promoting originality and creativity in the music industry and preventing the spread of copycat culture. 9. Ban on sensitive topics in entertainment, 2020. In 2020, the Chinese government announced a ban on sensitive topics in entertainment, including depictions of extramarital affairs, one-night stands, and excessive wealth. The move was aimed at promoting traditional values and morality and preventing the spread of negative values in society. The ban led to the cancellation of several TV dramas and films that were deemed too controversial or sensitive. 10. Crackdown on talent agencies, 2020. In 2020, the Chinese government launched a crackdown on talent agencies, calling for stricter regulation of their practices and a crackdown on illegal activities. The move was aimed at promoting fair competition in the entertainment industry and protecting the rights of actors and other artists. The crackdown led to the closure of several talent agencies and the arrest of some talent agents who were accused of engaging in illegal activities. 11. Ban on overly entertaining reality shows, 2021. In 2021, the Chinese government announced a ban on overly entertaining reality shows, calling for more focus on education and promoting positive values. The move was aimed at curbing what the government sees as the negative influence of reality shows on young people in China. The ban led to the cancellation of several popular reality shows, including Produce 101 China and Youth with You. 12. Ban on online celebrity fan rankings, 2021. In 2021, the Chinese government announced a ban on online celebrity fan rankings, calling for a more rational and healthy fan culture. The move was aimed at curbing the negative influence of fan culture on young people in China and promoting a more positive and rational form of fandom. The ban led to the closure of several online platforms that were dedicated to celebrity fan rankings and the removal of such rankings from other platforms. Summarizing the crackdown. Overall, the Chinese government's crackdown on the entertainment industry has been aimed at promoting traditional values and morality, curbing the negative influence of Sissy idols and fan culture. Here is a poem on the China's crackdown. Amidst the lights and glamour of the entertainment world, China's crackdown has been unfurled, aiming to promote traditional values and morality. Their actions have led to industry abnormality, overpaid actors and Sissy idols in their sight, excessive fan culture they seek to fight. No more online games deemed obscene. Originality in music is now their scene. Sensitive topics in entertainment banned. Crackdown on talent agencies, under their command. Reality shows deemed overly entertaining. Celebrity fan rankings, no longer sustaining. But amidst the restrictions and bans, creative minds continue to take a stand. Their stories may be silenced or delayed, but their spirit cannot be swayed. The Chinese government's aims may be noble, but at what cost must we all be stoic? Balance between tradition and modernity must be found to avoid industry austerity. The entertainment world may be forever changed, but its resilience cannot be estranged. For art and creativity shall always find a way to shine its light on a brighter day. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 79893335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place. and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.